This is what happens when you leave kids to do a man's job. You guys are going to love this. Actually, no, you're not. You're going to hate it. So I'm going to break in from time to time and explain what's going on because they dropped the ball on recording. They're supposed to let you know that we are now installing the ACES kit on Hunter's car, which is Zach's old car, good friend of ours that we lost several years back. It all started with Hunter breaking the lower intake. So I had a GT40 intake on it, and he goes to tighten this thing up and absolutely cracks the front of the intake. Well, I had another intake, and then he decides he wants to go carbureted. So we get into the whole carbureted thing, and then I'm like, well, hey, you know what? We have an ACES kit that we can put on. He's like, yeah, let's do that. So now we're doing ACES. So that's where we are right now. Let's get into the video, and then I'll pick back up with you guys here in a few minutes and explain some other shit.
I'm going to show y'all Verger's amazing silicone job.
I should have started with a fresh tube. But now that we got
We'll just take some from the front and put on the back. So, Hunter, you want to tell us what's currently going on now?
Drag, swag, oh, you know the name. Hat, shirts, hoodies, fuel in the flame for the F-100s and the Coyote crew. Drag, swag's got the gear just for you.
I am cleaning this intake.
Oh. You know, this doesn't look like the one that came off of it. Did something happen?
No, I broke the other one in the front corner. So, Bama 5.0 was super nice and generous to let us use this one. And so, we're going to do this, and then we're going to go through, we're going to try to put the ACES kit back on my car instead of going back to doing the normal. So, we'll see how it goes.
So, everybody stay tuned. Hopefully we don't break anything else.
Come on.
It's not for me, it's for the kid. Hold on. All right, we're going to watch Hunter try to disconnect the harness. Yeah. Master mechanic coming in.
I don't think we're going to need any of this anyways, because we're taking this whole harness out. This whole thing is coming out.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's going to look clean under here.
So it doesn't really matter if they break or not. Oh, you do push. That's what I do. You're doing very well. We want to bolt the headers to the exhaust lines. What you were saying the other day?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
You did.
Yes.
Did you explain to the people what you're doing?
Oh, never mind. I'll tell you later.
Yeah, I had to edit one of the videos.
You had to edit one? Did Hunter say a bad word?
Michael.
Yeah.
Michael. Michael said, here, I'll make sure he can't use it.
Quack.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some quack.
So, this car is going carbureted, essentially.
Essentially.
There are the old heads. These heads were completely trashed. Probably, I mean, you ran this thing to like 1,000,000 degrees. So.
I didn't.
Who was driving?
Well, I'm sorry that they gave me a car that they replaced the head gasket they blew on, but didn't fix the problem. They didn't fix the problem.
Got all the stuff over here. All the parts came off of it. Over here, we've got the ACES kit. So we told you guys we were going to reuse this. It looks like Hunter's going to be using it. So, it should go pretty simple. Well, I mean, look who we got out here working on it. So it's probably going to be a 4-day job here. But, so shout out to Bama 5.0. He hooked us up with this intake right here. I mean,
Yeah.
In Hunter's defense tonight, Michael did try to kill him with Black Widow earlier.
He did.
Yeah.
He did.
We're sitting there blowing it out, and he's like, it's a spider. And Michael instantly takes the air nozzle and just blows
It was
the
a Black Widow.
Widow.
I was like, hold up, bro.
I forgot how scared he was of spiders, so I had to take him in.
I don't do spiders, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad he didn't come out my truck, to be honest.
yeah, well, I'll tell you what I'm noticing. I'm noticing Berger's ready to get down, bro. He's turning some wrenches. He's like, man, y'all shut up. We're trying to work on a car.
Yeah, he was beating gears in it earlier. We're putting exhaust manifolds on. He's in there. Yeah, we busting this off tonight, and we hitting the nastiest burnout the Brutal Compound has ever seen. Oh yeah, because this is definitely not going to go smooth with us three. No. We're going to hit something.
Think so?
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
And I'm sure there'll be plenty of
We're going to crank it up here. Ding, 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 ding. And Hunter's
plenty of
done.
dialogue with him recording.
Oh, for sure.
Yes, most definitely. Play by play.
Talkie.
This little trick I taught myself back in the day, probably about 86.
You suck.
Hey, you go to sleep.
I'm about to.
Get out of here.
Only thing that's behind my desk is ratio.
Here's your tool. So originally, yes, we got to get some video footage.
My bad.
So we were originally going to Hunter. I couldn't find the big ones. I couldn't find the big ones.
Look. Them bitches don't even retract.
So the original plan was Hunter wanted to save all the stock stuff in case he went back with it. But now we've
We're
decided
not saving it.
we're going to do it the fast way. But this is our...
well, I mean, I was talking to Burger about it, and...
Yeah, he has some master mechanic in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No,
we checked with him.
I was asking him about it, though, and I'll never go back, at least not... Even if I don't use the Aces kit forever, I'll always be carbureted.
As far as I can go, put it in there.
Well, there's...
You
We
can
can't go
always
back
splice that.
now. Yeah, we can splice that.
Clean, baby,
Yeah.
clean.
We got a mint harness for sale right here.
Well, there's also all these other random stuff that's on it that somebody else needs.
Yeah, we skint the wires up pretty bad trying to pull it out anyways. So, yeah. Next update, it'll be a lot cleaner, quicker.
Hopefully.
So as you can see, these fools decided to cut the harness instead of finessing it out of the hole. You all know if you ever mess with one of these harnesses, it can be aggravating to get out of the hole of the firewall, but it will go. It will go. So needless to say, I was hot when I got home from work and I saw that they had cut the harness. I mean, I've done it before. It took me back to whenever I was about their age, I guess. I'm actually a lot younger. I cut a harness. But that hurts your soul. Neo Mustangs, right now, he's texting me as soon as he sees this video. He's going to be like, do what? They could have sold that harness and made some of this money back. But either way, that's what they did, guys. They cut the harness. So never leave your kids unsupervised. This is what happens.
Oh, you recording again?
Yeah. So,
Well,
we like to...
I don't remember. Where were we?
Last time we were pulling the harness out. We haven't got to
yeah.
show them what it looks like now.
Yeah, I blew it out a little bit already. I'm gonna clean it up a lot more than this, but got the new harness in, and we're working on getting the Aces kit itself on, and just gonna try to put it together as much as we can until tomorrow when we try to get some fuel line things.
Yeah, we ran into slight hiccup on the fuel lines. We got to find some fittings for that. But so far it's been pretty straightforward. It was a lot easier after we cut the harness out.
Yeah, that's a lot cleaner, man.
Yes.
A lot cleaner. Got the AC out too. I don't think that was in the last one.
Yeah, no, we
Took all the AC out because I don't really care for it. And yeah, just trying to clean it up. I'm gonna clean all that side up again too. Try to make it look better, but for now, this is what we got. We're just trying to get it where maybe we can try to turn it over tomorrow sometime. Get some, like I said, we're just waiting on fuel fittings at this point. We're gonna try to get the rest of it done.
and we had to cut the Aces studs down a little bit. They were hitting the body, and it's a super simple setup on his car.
Those weren't Aces studs.
Yeah, well, the studs were hitting the Aces body.
Yeah, the studs were hitting the Aces.
But he's got still fan, clutch, and everything. So what was it? It's like 3 wires we got to run under here. That's it. Coil, distributor, and the Aces.
No, we gotta run. Yeah, the Aces, the distributor, the coil, and the cooling temperature sensor, and then we gotta run a couple power wires, 12-volt wires. But other than that, not a whole lot. we just got to figure out how we're going to run all that. These are, Nakia did something where he could extend them and just unplug it. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to have to wire that all the way over there. It's not going to reach right now, but we'll get it. We'll get it there.
We got Master Mechanic over here making sure it sits nice and flush.
We could run a spacer on
Oh,
it. Like that nitrous spacer.
exactly. I say we go on and put that on there.
I feel like y'all are trying to.
You're gonna want it.
Yeah.
You're gonna want it eventually. Nick,
Yeah.
you don't want this Wilson's manifold. We'll just throw it on there.
Oh yeah, that looked really good under the hood too.
So the boys are out here working on the car, having a good old time, but they're running into a few little issues here and there. For one thing, the distributor that we had with the ACES kit was 4351. I didn't think about it, completely forgot. So now he's got to order an MSD style 302 distributor. On top of that, the fuel lines were not working as well because they had been cut and they just had high pressure line clamped to it. Now this was not any of our doings. This was already on the car this way. But instead of running all new AN lines and pumps and fuel hats and all that, we just decided to tap into the factory line. So he's got the pieces on order that he needs so that we can go into the regulator with AN line and then out over into the ACES kit. So that's where we are right now. This has been, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks now, and the car's still not done. It's sitting around the side over there with a car cover on it. Guys, this is part of it, okay? I want to remind you that you're going to run into issues just like they did, especially if you're just starting out. I mean, you're going to have issues. You're going to scratch your head, and it's going to feel like the end of the world. But these guys never gave up. They're not giving up. They will get this car running. There's going to be a lot of other little issues that pop up along the way. So I'm very proud of them for doing what they did. I'm not happy about the harness at all. Other than that, they're doing a good job. So we'll pick back up on this car in a later date. So today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I'm trying to get this video out for you so you can see what's been going on in the shop. But we'll pick back up on this car probably within the next 3 or 4 days. Hopefully, this thing will be running and driving. So, with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. And as always, thanks for watching. Oh, you can blame them, by the way, for lack of footage. That's why this looks like this. Damn kids.
Yeah, we skint the wires up pretty bad trying to pull it out anyways. So, yeah. Next update, it'll be a lot cleaner, quicker.
Hopefully.